Welcome to an insightful video where we delve into the seamless integration of Amazon settlement reports with your Oracle database using BizData's integration solution Ease Integrations. In today's data-driven landscape, efficient integration is crucial, and this video guides you through the process tailored to your business needs. Join us on this integration journey to optimize your data workflows. Log into your Ease Integrations account, click Ease Integrations, and begin by adding the integration bridge. The first step is configuring data source. In data source, select source type as API. Choose product name as Amazon Seller Central from the list and select the business object as token. Enter the authorization URL. Enter body details. Test the API endpoint using test button. Using the Amazon Token API, we are generating access token in response, which we will use in other APIs as we proceed. Next, navigate to Operations to begin transforming, wrangling, and cleaning the data. We can see the list of all the operations by scrolling here. The first operation used will be Data Extractor. Using it, we are extracting access token we received from response in source. The response received from API in source is stored in key BizData dataset response. Hence, we will pass this key name and access token generated in response under this operation. Next, we will use API operation to fetch Marketplace ID and Report Document ID. Under System, select product name as Amazon Seller Central and business object as Settlement Report. Under Test, pass the authorization URL. In Headers, enter the access token generated earlier. Enter pre-request script to generate signature. Next, using Data Extractor operation, we will extract keys named Report Document ID, Marketplace ID, and access token received in our response. Again, using the API operation, we will pass Report Document ID in the endpoint to receive the URL of Report Document ID in response. Under System, select Amazon Seller Central as target name and select Settlement Report as business object. Enter the authorization URL with Report Document ID in endpoint. Pass the access token in Headers. Enter pre-request script to generate signature. Now, using Data Extractor operation, we will extract the URL received from the previous operation. The URL received is stored in URL and API response is stored in BizData dataset response. Hence, these two keys are passed here. Now, using API operation, we will use the URL extracted previously to fetch the report. Under System, add target name as Amazon and business object as Amazon URL. Under Test, pass the URL extracted previously. The report received from the previous operation is in tab-separated delimiter form. We will convert it to JSON using delimiter to JSON operation. The response is stored in key name BizData dataset response. Hence, this will be passed under key data. The report received has tab-separated list of values. Hence, that will be passed under delimiter. In Fields, pass the column headers of the columns required in data target. The converted JSON response is stored in key table data, so this is passed under response key. Using operation repeat first row values, all values of first row are repeated in the remaining columns. The data from previous operation is stored in key table data. So, table data will be passed under source key. In fields to repeat value, add the column headers whose values are required to be repeated. Lastly, a tuple is created for all the columns to read data from single line using single line to tuple operation. We are using this operation to load data in bulk in database, so we are mapping the columns along with the comma-separated values. In single line key, we will pass BizData dataset summary as it contains the report. In table headers, we will pass all the column headers. In tuple key, pass the key name that will hold the converted tuple data. Informative and detailed documentation is available for each operation. Next step is to select target under data target. Before configuring data target, we will see how our table looks in target. This is Oracle database showcasing order details table with all the columns. The following step is to select the data target, which is Oracle database. To do so, we will be configuring the data target with database details, as can be seen in the video. The tuple key that holds the tuple data, from single line to tuple operation should be passed here. Enter SQL statement to insert data into table. Now, in the summary section, provide the name and description of the integration bridge. Under schedule, we can schedule the frequency of integration or select interval as per requirement. Here, we are setting it to 6000 seconds. Once everything is done, click on Submit. The integration bridge can be seen in the list. We can now proceed to run the integration bridge and check the results in live streaming logs, since the integration bridge is now built. This is order details table in our target, that is Oracle database. Data can be seen coming to the target. Millions of record can stream into target after starting integration service. With ease integrations, get a seamless and faster integration experience.